it's time to move on to the next awards category. It is the Global Environmental Sustainability Woman of the Year. In the sector of sustainability, and it goes to the founder and owner of Raven Invasive Plant Management. Help me welcome with a huge round of applause. Everyone, keep it going for Raven Sterling. Come on, guys. Raven Sterling. Everyone, come on, come on, come on. Where's the energy? We can't see it dipping even for a moment now. Everyone, left, right, and center. Raven Sterling. Come on.
Everyone with Fluxx Awards. I want to thank my clients, all the people who support the work that we do in conservation, and we're trying to save one of the most incredible places in the world, which is the Appalachian Mountains, where I live and call home. So I'm really grateful to have gotten to this point in life that I found my passion and purpose, and that is serving our Mother Earth. Thank you so much for all of you and for her.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Keep up the good work. Thank you. Congratulations.